what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today's video is actually super sad. You guys already see by the title and thumbnail. You guys probably saw on my Instagram. The GTR is done again, bro. And then I might be done with it too. But anyways, some better news. We got new merch finally, guys. Next Friday, guys, we're dropping the new merch drop. We got 2 new hats, which I'll show you the other ones right now, and we got 2 shirts. You guys loved the Live Fast shirt. This one literally sold out in like a couple days, bro. This is literally the most popular design, so I had to redo it again, but on a white tee this time. This is the back. So see, we got the Live Fast, we got the FindingNick, the 1997, the year I was born. And then on the front, we just got the logo. And again, they're oversized again. On the white ones, I'll show you the black ones right now, but the white ones do fit a little short, so this is the extra large, bro. And it fits like this. I like the oversized look, so if you want to size up, you could. If not, the large fits perfectly fine too. It's up to you, however you want to fit the shirt. I like them really big. And we also got red Live Fast hats. Again, this design literally was like the best design we've ever done. You guys love it, and I love it too. It's like my favorite hat, the black version. But now we got the red version, and this thing looks sick. You guys know red's my favorite color, and a red Live Fast hat with this shirt, this is like the sickest fit right here, bro. I love it. All right, guys, ready? We're gonna throw on a new shirt real quick. I'm gonna do a little transition. Ready? And this is the new shirt, guys. This is the other design. We did a black tee on this one. We got the FN Racing, my birth year again. And on the back, this is like what I was most excited to drop. It says go faster, pussy. I think it's super funny. It goes with like the Live Fast and the cars and driving fast and everything. I think it's funny, bro. We were trying to think of something to put on the back of a shirt. And what better thing to say than go faster, you know? Go faster, pussy. But I think it's sick. I love this shirt. Again, it's like the oversized fit. If you guys got something from the last drop, you guys know the quality is insane, bro. It's like the best quality shirts. I've been wearing my merch like every single day, if you guys seen. This shit's fire. Look how sick that is. And you guys probably already saw. We got the freaking, I don't want to say it because I don't want to get sued over here, but we got the little bass hats on, bro, with the Live Fast. Made my own design of it. You guys already know what this is based off of. I'm sure you guys know. I literally rocked the other hats a lot, but now I made my own, and I think this is fire. We literally did our own type of bass Live Fast hats. I'm gonna call it that. They're freaking sick, and we got the netting on the back. I'm so hyped about this one though. Like, this might be my favorite hat that I've ever dropped. I know these are gonna go fast too, so make sure you guys go next Friday and cop this hat, guys. They're gonna go crazy. I only ordered 50. I might have to order more because there's no way. I think we're gonna sell 50 like nothing. Both hats, guys, super good quality. This is like the same blank as the black hats that you guys got. If you got something from the last drop, insane. Look at the embroidering. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. All embroidered. Super good fitted hat. Again, I made sure on like my last drop and this drop and every drop continuing, I wanted to make sure everything fits perfectly to my liking, like stuff that I would actually wear. And these are like the best fitting hats that you'll ever wear. I swear. I have so many people that rock the last merch and have told me like, bro, your hats are like the best hats I've ever found. The other one sold out so fast, so make sure you guys grab both these. I don't know which one's my favorite. You guys comment down below. Let me know your guys' favorite. I honestly think this might be my favorite, but then I also like red. I don't know, bro. 2 new hats dropping on Friday, and also 2 new shirts dropping on Friday, guys. Don't miss out. Mark your calendars, save the money. Wait for the Friday paycheck, because this is gonna go crazy, guys. I promise, and I can't wait till you guys get them. And the quality is insane. Let's go. What's up, guys? You're watching another video, another day, another upload. Really doing this daily vlog stuff, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Just hit 200,000 subscribers. Thank you, guys. But now we make the mission to hit 300,000, and then 400K, 500K, and then 1 million hopefully soon. Seems impossible right now, but I know we can do it, guys. So hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. Smash the like button too before we get into the video. Go cop the merch if you guys haven't already. I think I have like 10 more of these hats. This design right here, the new FN logo. Only 10 more, guys. This is my new favorite hat. You guys see me rocking it in every single video now. They're super good quality, and once they're gone, they are gone. They're never coming back. Grab them before they're gone, because next week I think we're dropping a new merch drop. Anyways, today we're about to meet up with all the LA homies. Kevin, Erez, Andy, I think. See what we get into today. We're in the GTR once again. Haven't driven the F80 in a couple days, but it's all good. I've low-key been driving the F80 so much, bro. So it feels good to be back in the GTR for a little bit. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I think I'm gonna start driving like one car for 1 week, and then the next week drive the other car. The struggle, huh? If it was someone else, I'd be like, must be nice to have that problem, not knowing what to drive the GTR F80. I'm super blessed to be able to say that, bro. It's so sick. And again, like I say in every video, you can do it too, guys. Anyone can do it. A GTR is not impossible. At one point, I thought it was impossible, but it's not. Just set your mind to it and make it happen, guys. I want all you guys to be in GTRs one day with me. We made it. Look, we got Kevin here. Kevin? Hi.
It's cracking.
What's up, G?
What's up? Hey, I'm matching your car today.
Oh, I got the Millennium Jade shirt on. No way, bro.
So,
How are you?
Good, good.
Dang, you got that M4 out.
Yeah.
You've been coating cars every day, huh? Bro, I need these headlights. I saw you were selling some. They don't make some for my car?
Nope, you need the icon headlights for those.
Can you help me find some?
Yeah.
Bro, I need those headlights. That's the last thing my car needs. After that, my car's done, bro. I don't need to do nothing else.
Good. Get ready for another savings account.
They're expensive, guys. They're like $4 grand, dude. Help me find some, though.
Huh?
Help me find some.
I will.
Those are the only thing I'm missing, bro.
I know.
We gotta find them from like a crashed car.
All right. Yeah, I'll find you one for sure.
Bro, why'd you bring your BMW today?
I know. Finally,
You're
I'm
missing out.
back in the GTR. Bro, why have you not done those headlights?
They're expensive.
You're not rich?
Or
Bro, just sell some shoes and
some outfits.
sell like outfits. Those
headlights
shits
are
are
nice, though.
fire. Bro, imagine you can get them orange.
I would do like amber. I think amber.
Wait, can't you do them orange probably?
I think you can.
That looks sick on orange. Guys, look at that. Era's just put these yellow DRLs on that customer's car. They stand out so much, bro.
Oh my
That's just
God.
hella bright.
All over you guys.
You can see the difference. The white headlights compared to the yellow. Doesn't really pick up on camera, but yeah, that shit is bright. Like it's bright yellow. Sheesh. Bro, that looks fire.
I wouldn't mind them in yellow with my stock headlights. It would look sick.
He has yellow headlights too?
Yeah.
No way, bro. Everyone got the yellow headlights.
We're the only ones without them, G.
He's not even with our squad. What? Oh, shoot.
My prospect. My
You see how
prospect.
hyped Kevin got?
Hellcat. Yellow headlights.
Damn, G.
You see how they look?
Bro.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, always these guys. And I'm the only one in the GTR, guys. Everyone's in Beamers. I should have brought my car.
I told you. Just stay in the back.
Just stay behind? Just don't come? This car is so loud. God damn. That shit is lucky fast, bro. Yeah, look who pulled up. AMG Andy. The only other non-BMW. It's fifth gear, look. No way, dude. I think we're fucked, guys. I literally was getting onto the exit. I mean, on the on-ramp.
Oh my god.
It's not the motor. It's not like the motor was knocking for a little bit, but the motor's good. I think it's the trans again.
How?
I don't know. I really don't know. Look. Sounds clunky in all the gears, but fifth's the worst. Third, fourth. I'll do it one more time. I'm not gonna do it again, but ready? It's fifth.
Okay.
So whack.
Maybe
I
like a
felt it.
gear popped out.
Bro, when we hopped on that freeway,
Yeah.
and I shifted into one of the gears. I don't know. It sounded like it was like it sounded like a really like hard shift.
First I was like, why are you slowing down? And then I didn't see you and I was like, yo, where you at?
Fuck, bro. What the fuck am I gonna
Send
do?
it to the guy.
I'm gonna
Tell him real quick. It's okay. I'll stay right here with you guys, okay? We'll wait for AAA and we'll go back. Bro, it literally feels like what happened to me with my Supra. Remember we were going with my Supra and that shit let me stranded?
It's just so stupid, bro.
Is it time to sell the GTR, Nick?
I'm selling this bullshit.
Stay tuned, guys. We'll find out if the GTR's for sale.
It's mainly just that fifth gear. Like when I go in fifth gear, that shit's like loud as fuck, bro. And the rest are like you can hear a little bit of it too. But fifth gear is like completely just like. Is it fifth gear?
code? Do you have the
I
code
broke
reader?
that shit again.
You have the code reader here?
Yeah, but I don't think it's.
What is the DCT
showing.
tool? What does it show? What does it show? Engine.
Engine. That's just a battery.
Is
But
that
look-
knocking normal?
Huh? Yeah, she's normal. Yeah.
Okay, can you drive to the car meeting? We'll deal with this after, please.
I don't know. I don't want to risk it. Guys, I'm stressed. We've been on the phone for over an hour. This is like my second call, 43 minutes. I hate AAA, by the way. AAA is the worst fucking company I ever fucking dealt with in my life, bro. Every time I need a tow, this happens. Every single time. You guys remember last time when my transmission blew? I waited like an hour and a half for a tow truck driver to come. He got there. He said my car was too low and he left. And I had to wait another like 3 hours for another tow truck driver. I hate AAA, bro. I hate when cars break too. Anyways, sounds very bad. Luckily, I don't know what the coincidence is, but my car broke down up the street up there. Most random exit ever. I've never been in a city. I've never been off this exit. While we were pulled over on the side, this random G80 drove by and he recognized a bunch of the cars. He actually watched my videos. I don't even know the coincidence of that happening, but he lives right here. So I literally drove the car straight down into his neighborhood, like walking distance. And we're gonna leave my GTR at his house just for a little bit. I'm gonna grab some food and chill for a bit while we wait.
This way, when I come back, I can just move her car and pull my car in.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, guys, my car literally broke down right here. Luckily, the homie lives in that neighborhood. So he parked it in there. He actually owns a G80, which is insane. I don't know, this does suck. It sucks, but we got all the homies here with us. And now we're all gonna head to a car meet. The car meet was supposed to be lit. Oh my God. Look at this, guys, an hour and 8 minutes stuck on the phone. And then we're on that phone as well. Shit is so stupid, bro. But anyway. Damn, we made it to the car meet that we were supposed to go to in my car. We just rode with Andy. Then I left my car at that homie's house. The car meet's only at 5 minutes away, so as soon as they get an update, I'll probably go back to his house and finish the tow. But might as well come to the car meet while we wait for this. This is probably gonna take a couple hours. I already know. My car literally broke down over an hour ago, almost 2 hours ago. It's so stupid, guys. I'm having the worst time. I don't even feel like vlogging, but some Lambos. I love that front bumper. I love the color. Damn. Yeah, guys, I'm bummed. I'm not even in the mood to vlog. I'm pretty bummed because, as you guys know, I just fixed it. I just paid $7,000 to fix my freaking trans. And not even a month, bro, and this happens. Like, it's stupid, bro. It's a lot of money, literally down the drain. And then dealing with, like, this headache stuff, too. Shit sucks. I feel like every time everything is going good, something bad happens, bro. It just sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My biggest fear is having to pay another $7 grand to fix the transmission. Imagine if I have to do that, bro. That's gonna be horrible. It's the homie with the vet. He pulled up. My favorite freaking vet ever, bro. God damn. That's him.
Yeah.
It just sounds good on.
That just sounds like a fucking rotary.
Bro, he let me drive it, bro.
I know. I remember the
That
video.
shit, he let me drift it. Look at this G80, guys. It's really pink. It has a roll cage in there. Damn, I didn't even see that. I saw this on the other day, but I didn't notice the roll cage and all that. We are back, guys. Shout out to the homie again for letting me park it at his house last night. I gotta figure out what's wrong with this stupid car. At this point, I'm over it, guys. I don't even want it no more. Poor transmission. You can literally hear it. She sounds so bad. And also shout out to this guy, because this guy waited like 30 minutes for me to get here. I've had the worst luck with AAA, guys. It's literally the worst company I've ever freaking dealt with. Literally waited, guys, like 3-4 hours last night. You guys saw the phone calls too. I was on the phone for like an hour and a half on hold. No one gave me a time at all. They finally called me at like 1 in the morning saying, you know what, there's no tow trucks out right now that we can find. Just schedule something for tomorrow morning. Scheduled this guy for tomorrow morning. Told me they would call me before he heads out. Sure enough, he calls me, he's like, I'm here. I'm like, bro, they're supposed to call me when you're on the way. But it sucks, guys. I'm so sad, dude. I think the transmission's done again. And if I need to buy another transmission, I swear to God, I'm gonna fix transmission to sell the car. I'm done with this. I can't do it. It's so stupid. I wasted all that money, bro. I don't know whose fault it is, but something wasn't right on the transmission at all. I'm gonna just say that right now. Oh, there you go, guys. GTR is done. We'll see. It's gonna get shipped to the homie Chris's shop one more time. He's gonna check it out. He can't really tell from the videos. From the videos, it sounds very bad that I sent him. I got him a video on the freeway when it first happened. You can hear like the rattling in the transmission, and then I also on the sheet right here, I sent him another video of how it sounded. It's only 5th gear, but all the other gears sound very clunky too. But 5th is horrible. You guys tell me, what should I do? Should I just give up? Do I just sell this car? I love it too. Like I literally just got it back. You guys know, it just got wrapped. It has a new transmission. Had a new transmission. So I don't know how that happened. It was a brand new transmission. It shouldn't have happened, but Ford GTR, guys. Look at it. It's so sad, bro. And I'm so far from home. I don't think you guys understand. I was going to that car meet yesterday with Kevin, and bro, we're hella far. I'm like 2 hours from home at least. There's no way. At least it looks good on a trailer, on a tow truck.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.